bottom.
To learn more about Dragon Tales, visit PBS Kids at pbskids.org.
Emmy wished on a dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. They climbed on the backs of their dragon friends. Now the adventures never end. Dragon Tales, it's almost time for Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand, let's all go to Dragonland.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
This program is funded in part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Do you like Clifford? And do you like to shake your tail? Then it's time you learn the Clifford dance. First you spin around, then you jump up and down. Now bark! It's the Clifford dance. Hey, let's do it again. First you spin around, then you jump up and down. Now bark! It's the Clifford dance. Come play with Clifford the big red dog. Yeah! Woohoo!
Monday through Friday on WETA Kids.
Finn wants to be a firefighter when she grows up. Me, I'm going to be a famous fire engine designer. First, I'll fit him with those monster truck tires so he'll drive right through busy traffic. Instead of sirens and bells, I'll record some rock stars screaming really loud. That'll get people's attention. Forget ladders. This engine would have a huge Ferris wheel. And the Dalmatians would have red spots, so they'd match the truck better. Thanks to me, Patty Clark, fire engine designer.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Okay, there's this really bad dude named Hacker.
You?
Whatever. He wants to take over the cyber world from Motherboard. The three kids are sucked into cyberspace, and they use brain power to help save everybody.
Okay, here's the plan.
So they travel all over and run into all these weird creatures and have all these awesome adventures. It's totally up to them to save cyberspace. Can three cool kids and a wacky bird outsmart the hacker?
Never.
There's only one way to find out.
Tune in to Cyber Chase.
Major funding for Cyber Chase is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. Additional funding is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, the Kettering Family Foundation, the Volkhausen family, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS stations from viewers like you. Thank you.